All right, here we are. We are going to do Big Bertha #1 and maybe #2. Let's see what happens. You guys seem to like it when we combine them, so we're going to give it another shot. It's been a busy couple of weeks, right, Kathy? Don't know what the numbers are, but door #1, door #2. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Snow White. Good enough. Let's hit this one. Well, that was pretty clean. Some fine lint. Good work. Let me get down low. Let's see what we got in Big Bertha #1. Oh yeah, that is a mountain of thick goodness right there. Oh yeah, I just want to reach out and touch it. Oh yeah, lint money shot right there. Man, this thick. Look at all that lint. Good work. That's a nice little pile. Let's see what we get from #2. Say decent. Oh yeah, it's just getting so matted up. You can see how thick it is. Wow, wow. That is crazy. Now we're gonna sweep them all together. Let's see what kind of big pile we get. All right, let's get this thing fired up. Woo! Oh yeah, that corner's got some goodies in there. Nice. Hey, we didn't even notice this. I'll take that. All right. Oh yeah, more goodies. Dang. I better just take that one.
Yeah.
That's a heavy nail. All right, let's get this thing turned off and get these bad boys back together. Great job on that one, Kathy. The lint is still flying. That's how we do it, though. Back to the door. You'll get a chain, I'll get a chain. That's how we're gonna do that. Big Bertha #1, complete. Let's see what Big Bertha #2. You get that chain, I'll get this one. I'll get that one. All right, good job, Kathy. Big Bertha #1, #2 combined, done. That's a ton of lint. We'll see you soon.